Thank you, Lord.
Just take
Thank
what
you,
you
Lord.
eat, and afterwards we'll all share and take home what's left, please. That's all I ask.
I second that. Okay, we only gonna eat when Harry Boy say he's hungry.
Oh, no.
Are you ready to eat apples?